Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
First of all, thank you, my respected sir, for giving us this opportunity to discuss our topic. Our topic is time and money. So,
Which topic you like most, time or money?
we we choose time.
So we choose money. So
Okay.
tell me something about time. What happened?
To tell something about money.
First I ask you, so you tell me what is time.
Time mean we invest time anywhere, then we get a money.
And when we have no time, so how can we increase money?
Then me also in favor of time. So you don't say that with no time or no money. Okay?
Yes. So tell me something more.
Means time is more important than the money, according to me. I don't say that time is not important, but money means that time is more important than money.
But in my opinion, money is more important.
Means you said that first money is important
Yes.
of human being.
Yes.
But according to me,
When we have no money, so how can we save our family?
means I said that if we have don't time for anything, then how can we increase money and earn money? Please tell me.
When we use our time to increase money,
Means
when we save our family, when we have waste our time for here and there, so how can we increase money? Please tell me.
I also said that if we don't have a time, you said that first money is important.
Yes.
If we don't invest our time in anything, then how we get money? So please tell me.
But I said that I don't. It means we don't waste our time here and there, but we use our time to increase money, and we spend some time our family.
You can't understand my question according to me. Means,
So please understand me.
means I said that if we you said that money is first important of human being.
Yes.
If we don't invest our time in anything and any job means anything, then how we increase our money and how we earn money? I said that so. But
In
I
my
don't say
opinion, you
that
don't understand me.
means you said anything.
When we waste our time here and there, but we don't waste our time here and there. We use our time in our job and in our work what we do. So that's I want to say to you. Sorry, that's why I want to say to you, when we don't waste our time here and there, we focus only our business and our family.
I also said that. Means what you want to say, I understand.
Yes.
But I said that time is most important thing.
But money is not most important.
Yes, also important, but first time is important.
But in my opinion, money is most important. When we have no money, so how can we use our time in
If we ever don't life for living, then what we do for that money? That's big money. Means we have don't a time. Means you have means not you. If any person has cancer,
Yes.
if any person has cancer, then how what that person is last stage of this that diseases. Then what he do
Then
of that money?
then
If he has money, then he cure himself. Because if he has no money, that time he died. But if he has money, that time he cured himself, because in India there are a lot of doctors of cancer. Means you are right. You know a time of means God makes a time of everything. Yeah. Everything that and everything but and everything. So if your time is fulfilled, then how you cured? Means no one doctor of world you can save. But we don't know when our time is fulfilled. Then you don't know that if a person Just I'll give you an example that if a person walk on the road and he don't know that what happened with him. So this is not a reason that if a person has no time, because no one don't know that when he is died. So if a person has time, I don't say that time is not important, but time is not important just like a money.
Means according to me, time is first importance of person. If somebody has no time, then why? If you understand that thing, if we don't invest our time in anything, then we don't get anything.
Yeah, you are right. But
Yes, I also
but
explained that thing.
but just listen. If we have a lot of time, you said that. But if we have no money, then how? What we do in our time? Just listen. That you know that a beggar, he has a lot of time and he do begging, but not earn a lot of money. He earn just only 30-40 rupees in a day. Not just like a person who do job in office. So beggar has a lot of time. Why he don't do anything in his
It's
time?
depend on her mind. Means
Yeah.
if there's educational is well, then it's comes a true in their life.
You said that education is
Yes,
bad.
yes, yeah.
So that's why, because of education, if we take admission in any college, that time we pay fees. If we have no money, then how can we pay fees?
You know one thing, educations are two types.
Which two types?
Means somebody has a physically and also mentally education, and somebody has a physical education.
Yeah, but
You understand that if somebody has smartness and also cleverness.
yeah, but not every pupil are smart or clever. So that's why money is important, because not no every person is not clever, and he has not thinking just like a clever person. Then he don't do a lot of, he think that if I do a lot of hard work, then I earn money. But a clever person, he think that I invest money here and I increase the double money from here.
Also that thing too, but according to me, if we don't know about using of time, good or bad, that time we are failed in our life.
You said that if a person is not well maintain his time, and he don't use his time properly, then he failed. But if a person is managed his time properly, and he is not failed in his life.
According to me, that thing is wrong.
Why is wrong?
Means we give us some time for learning, persistence, and after I give you answer of that thing.
So people do the bad of money.
What's the meaning of bad?
Bad,
You carry on.
you just said bad,
Bad.
bad.
Bad. Oh, betting. It's betting.
Yeah. Then they thought they increasing their money on bet.
Yeah.
After that they lost their money, and what to do? And they think that we have we have no we have time, and they bet on their money.
You said that a person who bets mean
Who have a lot of money, so they bet.
no. Those person who has no money, that time they think that if I bet my money, then I earn double money to them. But if he have a clever person, then he earn his money double. But he is a normal person, he don't know about that that time he lost his money.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if a person have lot of money, then he think that I have a lot of money. If I lost my money, I don't think about that. You want to ask?
When he says something,
Okay, don't threaten them because
Okay,
they want
okay.
to say something. Then she said,
okay,
okay,
you
so
just start.
okay. Then you sometimes he said that if means what's your question? I can't.
I don't remember my question.
Okay, we choose anything else. Sometimes according to your opinion, money is most important
Yeah.
than time. But I said that time is most important than money. We are opposite of against.
Yes.
Yeah. So then, if we go for outside, then we watch many things. One day, means one year ago, I go for visit means Agra, like Rajasthan, Jaipur. Then the buses stops near the highway. So you know the footpath.
Yeah.
Means there's a lot of people surviving their life.
Yeah.
So there I understood many things. If money is important, I can't say that money is not important. Means family, not a little family, also a big family like joint family. Everyone lives in that place. On the other side of the road, where we never sit. We never sit. We said that
Yeah, I
there's
also saw those people.
place is not good, then we said we don't sit there because
We don't like to sit there
Yeah,
because
yeah. We thought that that place is wrong for me and means I said there people are very happy there.
yeah, they are happy, but they handle their problems because of money. They face a lot of problems. If they have money, that time they are not facing that type of problems because those persons who live there, they do a lot of hard work in a day, but they earn only 200 to 300 rupees in a day. You know that the prices of nowadays is so high, so that's why it's so difficult to live properly.
So I also seen that thing. That time I understand money is important, but the love and also our living style and timing surviving with our family makes our happy than money. I watch out many people who has a lot of money, but they are not happy in their lives. I can't say that every people are same, but I said that many people who had a much money, they also face difficult very much in their life.
But you saw that a lot of people who have a lot of money, and they also, yeah, she is right that they also have a lot of problems, but they think that I have a lot of money and they do wrong works. You know that many people you saw on news and you hear also about that. They do a lot of wrong works and they earn a lot of money. But if they do lot of wrong works, that time his children think that if my father do this, then I also do this. So I don't say that time is not important because if a person give to time his family, that time his family is increasing well. But if a person is not earning money, mean if he has no money, that time his family can't live properly and they have a lot of they face a lot of problems just like feeding her family and just like education because you know that now the education now the schools demands a high fees and you because your sister and my sister also study in a private school. So that's why we understand this thing.
I want to say something about that.
Yeah.
Means if somebody has a little money, means they surviving their life. Because if we don't earn money, then we also give a property of our father-in-law and many people means fields and many they sell that thing. They do anything. I don't want to say that about things, but if we don't have money, okay, means a little money, then father gives their children a good education.
Yeah.
Means education, that education, not we go there schools. They give a good cultural education.
Yeah.
Then they have their children like too good. After some time, if they have a little money, if they give their children a lot of time for surviving their lifestyles and many things, then according to me, those persons who have a lot of money, their children who are it.
Sometime ago you said that if they have a field and they sell that. But if a person he has no field, that what he do if he doesn't do any work.
They buy for rent fields.
Yeah, but you know that if we go to any person for buying any field, then first he demand money. That you give him money. That time he give you field. But I said that if he has no money, then what we do?
Then he invest their time for jobs. Yes, he started off 7,000 to
But you
10,000.
No job, so then
But
Then you do a worker's job. Also in 300 rupees. You get. If you want, then I give you.
But a person, you saw a lot of person, they don't want to do anything. They don't want to do any job, but they want that I have a lot of money and I spend my life freely I want they want not I they want that they spend their life a luxurious life. So she want to ask something.
yes, please.
Yes.
What is asked?
You ask me, after that I give you answer. What you want to ask me?
What to ask? Then I answer. First you ask.
So in your opinion, time is most important or money is most important?
I already told time is important.
So tell me something about time.
When we
If you
have,
have a lot of time and you have no money, so what is to do you?
we invest our time to do any type of work,
Which type of work?
like workers and doing driving on schools bus and vans.
And
So they
when there
get-
is no work to do workers or driving bus, etc.
It is
That
not
time,
impossible.
that's possible.
It's not.
And you
impossible.
know very well that's possible.
Not that's
Give
not
me
possible.
some more reason why you choosing time.
Time is important of everyone's life because time learns everything.
Oh. Any more?
Then you tell me why money is important.
If you have a money, so every people call you and every people know who are you. If you have no money, so no one knows who are you and who I am. They said I don't know who are you. If you have no money, so every people said I don't know who are you. And if you have money, every people knows I know who are you.
Then what? Then what we
You understand that?
what we say, what we know to what people think about them.
Speak again. I can't understand.
Why we think people what think about them.
When people have a lot of money, so they have a lot of attitude.
That they know about their.
According to me, attitude is also important.
Everything is important in life,
Means
but not a lot of.
if we don't have an attitude, then people think they are mad. They are they are morons. They are bugs, and also they don't give you importance. According to me, if we have a attitude, then
Because
everybody
she is right, so that's why I said that.
yeah.
I know that
I
she
know
is
I am right.
but you can't understand what I mean to say.
Yeah.
You want to say.
If somebody come, then they.
I think that's it. I think that's it because time is over.
Okay.
Okay.